Close your eyes and picture your favorite stew at a restaurant. Now open them and we're gonna make it at home with this vegetable stew with turkey sausage. It's Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new now and you love healthy, delicious appetizers and entrees, please like and subscribe. All right, let's go. I'm going to prepare all the vegetables first. I'm going to use this to discard any ends that I'm not going to use. So I have half an onion here. Okay. Get organized by prepping the vegetables first, and then we'll tackle the seasoning. And for our starch, sweet potato and white potato is very accessible, so we're going to use that. Straight into the carrots. If you're wondering why the outside of this carrot is purple, it might be uncommon to find at a local supermarket. I just happened to go to the farmer's market to pick up turkey sausage. I figured, why not keep everything healthy and organic. Remove the ends. Leeks, part of the onion family. I'm going to use mainly the white part. And this one we'll just split in half and chop it. And we have some lemongrass here. Back part of the knife, just remove the outer part of the leaf. I love the warmth and the smell of lemongrass. Swiss chards. So this is a white variety of Swiss chards, and don't throw these stems, bunch it up together. Chop it this way, and then just give it a rough chop. You know that saying, when in doubt, throw it out? But when in doubt, use it. Notice I have the celery leaves. Make sure everything is washed and rinsed. I also have some fresh ginger here, half an inch. Garlic. About 3 cloves of garlic. Plastic wrap here. We're going to prepare our seasoning, which we're going to toast first. Some wonderful coriander and Szechuan pepper. It's got a little bit of a tinkling spice, so it's actually good for digestion. That's going in. Toast this for 1 minute. Okay, after about a minute or two, smell those spices, those toasted spices come through. I'm just gonna shut this off. Pestle mortar, or you can use a blender. Add some paprika to it. Okay, I have turkey sausage link. Just gonna cut that. I always wash my hands and continue to wash them, especially when I'm dealing with meat. Season it with salt and that Szechuan coriander and also paprika spice. Veal bones, we're just going to add some extra flavor to that. We're going to season that as well. As an addition to make this richer, or if you have leftover bones, feel free to use it if you have it. Okay, let's get over here. Wash my hands. You notice I used one hand for the meat and one hand for the dry, meaning the seasoning. Add the extra virgin olive oil. Let this heat up. Start to put the turkey sausage in there. Just want some color on the turkey sausage. Okay, once the bones release, you know it's good. Paper towel here. I take that and drain it. And don't shut this heat off right now. Don't turn away. Going with the onions. Got that flavor from the sausage. Celery is going in. Carrots are going in. Right now we're going to just deglaze with Worcestershire sauce. Garlic, the ginger. At this point we're going to add the bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, touch of paprika for color. Go back in with these. Nestle that in. Add the potatoes in. That. Not going to add the turkey sausage right away. I'm going to add the chicken broth, whatever broth you prefer. You can use vegetable broth for even lighter, or you can use beef broth if you want it a little bit heavier. I'm going to bring this to a boil. We're just removing the scum, which is all the impurities. Right now we're going to simmer this on a medium-low. And I have just a little chartreuse here so we can keep the flavor in there and let it reduce 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked. Alright, I'm going to take some of these celery leaves. Just roll it up. Take the basil leaves. Okay, I'm going to add the Swiss chards in there. How beautiful that is. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the herbs. Just add a little bit of honey. A teaspoon of honey. Balance the flavors, and a little bit of Worcestershire, a little bit more. So in total about a 1/4 cup of that. Okay, shut this off. I'm gonna throw in the turkey sausage just to warm that up. Look at that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait to pour myself a bowl of this wonderful vegetable soup. And we got nuggets of flavor with the turkey sausage infused with that Szechuan pepper. It's a new spice that is added to the Kyle's Creations mix with paprika. Can't wait to dig in. And this reminds me of another soup dish that I made in previous fall, and that was a mixed mushroom and sweet potato stew. You guys would love that. It's very vegetable forward, just like this, and you could always mix and match and substitute with whatever vegetable that you prefer and make this recipe your own. Stay tuned for the next episode and take care.